This is the world of the future.
Good afternoon and welcome you all to our Futurefactory.
Coming from Singapore, so thank you very much. Today's so amazing experience.
Somebody has said that the best way to predict future is to actually create it.
You feel as if you are in a 5-star manufacturing center.
Technology first, innovation first, company in whatever we do.
Technology, performance, and of course design, right? Exactly the concoction that the customer wants.
Everything which is the best in the world, the best technology, the most improvisation, and the kind of innovation that I've seen here, I've never seen all together in one place.
And effectively create an entire ecosystem for electric vehicle in India. So I've just seen the future of what electric mobility and electric future in India is going to be.
Bringing electric to every heart, every mind, not only in India but across the world. And we have a very robust and differentiated product pipeline rolled out here across both two-wheelers and four-wheeler products.
Someone is thinking about the future of the country. Someone is thinking about creating a EV infrastructure in the country, and we look forward to this journey fructifying to a great level.
But we are absolutely coming out with an electric four-wheeler, and the products that we launch, we believe are actually absolutely cutting edge and best in class.